Welcome back to yet another episode in our ongoing series. My name is Nicole Suarez. As we all know that Goa is a multicultural state and we live in communal harmony, Saint Francis Xavier, Goa's most loved saint, is loved by all. And we are here to meet people across faiths who have an affinity towards the saint. Award-winning cosmetologist and beautician Hasina Bandukra shares her memories of visiting the expositions in the past.
The place where I stayed in Panjim, that Fontainish area, it was like multicultural place with all people around. So we had Hindu, Muslim, Catholics, all common. So all when Saint Francis Xavier feast used to be that 3rd December, there used to be a lot of excitement. We used to go there and they used to attend Navinas.
Do you remember anyone in particular?
Like a exposition time and all special buses used to be there. So we all used to travel by bus, like all of us go. So that was a joy, of going in those buses and all. Multiple times like we had gone.
Thank you again. Now we meet Gautam Kadkar from Ponda, who has his own special experiences with Saint Francis and faith to share with us.
The exposition, Saint Francis Xavier exposition coming up this December, brings back a lot of childhood memories of my growing up years. Although I belong to a Hindu family from Ponda, Goa, it has been a tradition for us to not only wait but to visit and worship or rather pray to Saint Francis Xavier. And there are numerous occasions on which I have fond memories of visiting this place with my parents, with my grandparents. One of my childhood memories is the very process of how we used to travel to Old Goa Church from Ponda. There used to be time in our childhood when we used to take, the entire neighborhood used to hire a minibus, those Matador tempos, and go to Old Goa. And it would be like a day out, start in the morning, and Banastari Bridge was not in place, so we take a ferry, then go across to Old Goa. It used to be a full day outing in those days. And then as development happened, we had better cars. It went from the whole day trip to maybe a few hours trip. But what I would like to say is that unfailingly, come the 3rd of December every year, around the 3rd, maybe not 3rd, maybe 4th, we will definitely, all of us, visit this place. One instant personal memory which I can remember is sometime in the early part of 2000, when I was constructing my house, I had extreme difficulties and challenges with some people, obstructing to the construction, and it was like I didn't know how to overcome this huge adversity. And I remember my father's words that whenever you have such adversities, go and pray to Govinda Sahib. And I did just that evening. It was no occasion. I just went to Old Goa, lit a candle, and I almost short stepped of weeping in front of Sahib. And lo and behold, the next morning, whatever obstacles were there were gone, just disappeared. And I could finally construct the house.
Thank you for joining us on this episode. See you next time.